Houston is the heart of the Texas energy industry, helping meet the needs of the country with its natural resources like oil and gas, as well as renewable and alternative sources.
We're the leader in the country with 9,000 megawatts on wind. If Texas were a country, we'd be number 6 among the countries in the world as far as wind production.
There's a lack of understanding the breadth of types of research that are carried out here on the university campus in the energy area.
Serving 37,000 students in the shadows of downtown, the energy is flowing these days at the University of Houston, which is heavily invested in UH Energy, an interdisciplinary approach to energy research, technology, and workforce development.
The goals are to bring the UH Energy community together to discuss various aspects of energy research that relate to both existing sources of energy, fossil energy, renewables, wind power, solar energy.
The UH Faculty Senate recently hosted its biennial conference.
We should not think that this is going to fix our problem with oil supply.
Opening up dialogue between energy researchers, experts, and executives, and featuring keynote speaker Texas Lieutenant Governor David Dewhurst.
We've got to come together and create ways that we can harness this wind, we can harness solar.
There are lots of advances in actually generating power, but if you can't get it transferred efficiently to where it's needed, then that becomes an issue. At
the Texas Center for Superconductivity, UH, Dr. Venkat Selvamanakam and his team are on the cusp of testing new smart grid technology, high-temperature superconductive wire that can carry electricity long distances with no energy loss.
We are improving the performance. Instead of carrying 100 amperes of current, which is about 200 times the current carrying capacity of copper, can you go into 400 times or 600 times or even 800 times? So we are trying to push the limits of that, the current carrying capacity, as well as increase the speed, reduce the cost.
Industry are a critical component in energy research because it has to not only be technology driven, which is where the research side of it comes. You have to create the technology. But then at the end of the day, there has to be a customer for it.
Where we're looking at advanced materials, natural gas exploration. We have a large geosciences group here that develops approaches to harvesting a variety of carbon-based fuels.
From transforming energy transmission to improving the efficiency of wind turbine blades to seismic advances that allow for deep water drilling precision, UH Energy is cultivating the technology and brainpower that fuels ideas to the industry that powers the world.